Khamsang, thank you paper the ngiling samolol kasi Welcome to Saturday Grammar Class with Kizom. Thank you resepembe tatu zinda tinanglu la hinge nganzuki Essential English Grammar ki lopsing kupa di tayi lopsing kupa di kharicha diyorshi paina English nang la nganzuki I have ngala yang ngala ladang shembachik I have got leisure dingi la khebar khariore piju khandi chini chigo yore leisure de chadiye anlinge chogi dige khende yo paina nyendu montini sirona dingi la subscribe na yue na injik subscribe na rona ngazo tinda ching nang la nyendung sum tangi yore sa dawa purbu pemba khayang nganzu ki Saturday di nganzu ki Essential English Grammar ki lopsin chik ni chini dugu yore sa dawa ta phupu ni dila chidangi inji da dewa yo ki nyendung roshli yore anlinge so phege thone inji jangde yo paina injik subscribe na rona laso ta go chugi laso lengi ani nyendong go chugi tharing nganzu ki lopsing guwa di ta che lopsing guwa di nanglo la nganzu ki ngala yo khola yore la churwa ti labdang khandi yore la di nganzu ki have got ti nganzu dus chi yo di have ki tu chik re ro have la du have chik bu member che have ki rokpa has tini de panang la had ta de ba ti member che tharing have tang has ni ro the has khadu thi go re la di nganzu ki channel thol nyen du yo re leng so dige session di re ro ngi ki description nang la ngi ki nyen du ngi joshi de number ji na mali mangbush thing ro di nang ngi chik sha sha ro la so tang ala yo le de la dang khan de yo ngala yo khola yo re le jo ro di chag yo da the you can say I have or I have got he has or he has got dus ti di is tang has niga gi du chik chadu go ro ta tandang an ki has the have ko le jang du di has len chi er de ro okay the I have got le thunda chik ba yor ngala yo le chyor wa di chadiyor the have the khari gi chela tugur le na mingchap I we you they nga nganso kyo ani kunzo le chyor wa di gyablo la has the khari chela tugur le na he she it ani michi ki mingina has I have we have you have they have he has she has it has ra ta chigwa chigyang have got le ni phiji chaina I have got we have got you have got they have got he has got she has got it has got ani migi mingina tenzin has got ting on sugi dus cheta dela phomoj dwara phomodi nga go nai dula in baina I have got a headache la dwa tende resta ta Dinda, I have got blue eyes or I have blue eyes. I have lenaire, I have got lenaire. Nga mik ngombu yo ledi, nga la yo ledi chaswara. Tim has got two sisters or Tim has two sisters, right? Tim has got lenaire, Tim have. Tim ledi michi kimingche. Tim la pinja pumuni yo re lenaire, Tim has leni pijo dus chishana indigre. Our car has got 4 doors. Nganzuki motor la goshiyore. Yana, our car has 4 doors. The got the tinayang matinayang tunda odranchi yore le dila. Tadi Diana Laure which how masra isn't feeling well. Moteu came in those. She's got a headache. The apostrophe st has tungor leswara mo gonaidus. They like animal. They have got a horse, 3 dogs, and 6 cats. Kunzo simjeng go yoris. Kunzo la tajik kisum ani shimitug yoris. Okay, I tadi kecha di meba ngala me kola mere line kanditi go yore haven't n apostrophe t di not tungyorwa I haven't. Ani tiwa tia imbaina have la helping verb di chawe chikro di mingchap mingchik chepa po ginyon na tiwa yorwa tini tiwa chikro have you got ta benisha shawaina negative kecha di kakpana shia imbaina I have not got ra have not di duni haven't chagardra haven apostrophe t haven't I haven't got we haven't got you haven't got they haven't got ani he she it hasn't got tiwa tia imbaina have the has the mingchap ginyon la tia che have I got have we got have you got have they got dige imbaina has he got has she got has it got yana michi ming imbaina has tenzin got a sister tenzin la pinja phomo yorwes answer the leng gaba imbaina ra leng gaba imbaina yes no lanchik puch mala oche yes I have me paina no I haven't. Yes no khari imba ine re yes lena mingsap subject chepapo mingsap khari tigo digi kaplo la have che no imba ina chepapo khari imba ine ya digi kaplo la haven't chikpa chikya he she it ladi imba ina yes he has me paina no he hasn't and chikpa chikya rodan dus chadeorda la so that dige chopa digel chisya I have got a motorbike but I haven't got a car. Ngala papa chiyo sine yang ngala mota mes. Mr. and Mrs. Harris haven't got any children. Mr. the Mrs. Harris le sazan dila tugu chiyang yo maris. It's a nice house but it hasn't got a garden. Nang di yakbu du sine yang me patikari ladu tumra mendus. Have you got a camera? Chirang la camera US. No, I haven't. Me ngala miss. Haven't ladu have not ladu chungyorwa. What have what have you got in your bag? Chirangi bag nang kirang la khari use. No, nothing, it's empty. Ti tongbaris. Has Anne ro michigi mingi na dingin la has li ro. Has Anne got a car? Yes, she has. Anne la motor dues. Oh, mola motor dus. What kind of car has she got? Mola motor khagi gi rig di dus. Khandichi dus. Ta sumba dila si dinanglo la I don't have. Do you have? Right. That do lane. That yimba ina do, right? Do and does let the trodang di yang anjugi mingsap khari khegi to chepa posur do dela taniche. Me pa ina don't doesn't let you right. The pa condition to it. And in negative and question, you can also use right. Kesa kaptu la warjina I have got len li dora. Na he has got has nang have khari imba ina and dichik bush ther dwara ta ke ja ti kakwa nang she imba ina nganju gi do and does khanru jik phiju yan chia yoris penacha shana they don't have any children kunzu la pu che yo mare la de ra thangi nganju gi khala so Mr. and Mrs. Harris haven't got any children haven't la de nganju gi khandi la chuglan don't have Ra, they haven't got any children. Kunjala puguche yo maris. Tanganjugi, it's a nice house, but it doesn't have a garden. Ra, thanking anjugi khala so it hasn't got a garden naswa. It hasn't got a garden sabla. It doesn't dust la ne piju chine yandigrista. Do and dust thing anjugi khadu piju chair shupaina. Kapana shegi yona geje di yana tiwa imbaina. Does Anne have a car? And la motor your value thanda de does Anne have a car leswa thangi nganjo gi thidang de khandir lena has Anne got a car and la motor your value ra thanda chik pachi gyan chaswa how much money do you have chirang la ngu khajo mangbu use thanda garre how much money have you got chirang la pisa khajo you ledi thanda de dirang chade ra shimba ke go chumarwa ta ladu sambo kharre lena has have ledi yo ba ledi dung you rest Digi tablang on Zugi get the Tiwa down, Gapana Shiguna do and don't let the picture Chine and Digi re let you ra. Shembang on Zugi Tunda Chikpa Tungurda, Drodang cook negative down question into Kagachi, Shemba Chikian, Kaga the chair rang remarks the Suzu picture, Kagachik Checho Yore let you ra. Tiran Chadure. Tangajugi, Johnson Digage Chicken, the 9.1 the Nankarlado, write the short forms we have got, he hasn't got, etc. Ra dige thuk dige la short form du ni khari chagre dit hilasro dit samang ye thiache he has got la dilanga ju khari thichodu he apostrophe st has charogo ra he has got they have got the khandi chagre na they apostrophe ve ra has ina apostrophe s have ina ve got she has not got ledwa dilanga ju khari chagre na she has not the khandi chagre de dwara hasn't got it has got it hasn't got it hasn't got has not lagorwa I have not got I haven't haven apostrophe t got I haven't got didusche tanganjuge right questions dige sham gitsik dige la tiwa suerta tangbote kunjogi chidwara yegi nipa sumba shiba de cheche lengi sogi ngapa thukpa timba de che inda nipa de nang khaledo you a passport ta chirang la passport yevele ra ngajogi khandila chugre have you got a passport Yang na do you have a passport? Ra. Ta your father a car. Chirangi pala mota la dwara. Your father michig ra Khamsang has your father got a car. Has your father got a car? Tineng anjogi Carol many friends. Carol le pumudila chobu mangbu yorwele. Ra chikwa chikyang has Carol got many friends? Okay, di dus chincha. Ta ngapa tukba timbadi hengi choi cheche. Ta di jema de la ta. What has Tina got? Tangbo di nanglo la Tina la khari dus la Tina la camera parche chudwara a camera la do Tina has got a camera. Ani nipa de la khala do you chirang la camera yewe mewe le jorwa. I have got yuna I have got mena I haven't got a camera yuna yewe mena me le ru dusre darwa. Nipa de la bicycle. Do you okay, what have you got? Oh, nibadela chirangi susu karile yore di thile di chekpo cherwa. Nibadel Tina la bicycle mendoara. Tina hasn't got a bicycle la nima dus theche. Ani chirang la bicycle yue. Ngala the merwa chezang. I haven't got a bicycle la ni theche. Long hair. Tina la taringbu dwara. Ani Tina has got a long hair. Ani ngarayan taringbuiro chesang yigiyang I have got a long hair len tiache. The brother sisters ti Tina la brother sister dwara yore len tiache. Chirang la yue me ti susupa vitiache. Shiba dilingi sugi tiache. Okay, 9.4 dinanchik tuginda. Put in have got yana dutik dus tiache. Has got dutik dus tiache. Haven't got hasn't got. Karim baine tima tishos. Tangbo di chisho to ngi nipa sumba shiba che lengi so nga pa tuba timba che inda. Okay. Nipa de chisho to ara cheza ngi sumba shiwa nga wa che urwa. Charles sumba dinda. Charles isn't happy. Charles jingma ki bachine deshas. He dash a lot of problem. Kola kanya nyota pe mangbutus kanditi goire. He has got a lot of problems. Shiba, they don't read much. Kunso ki mangbu logo mares. They dash many books. Ta kunso la karlere. Thep mangbu mindu lerwa. They ngi del tishagoterwa. Haven't got many books. What's wrong? Ta matikwa karidus. I dash something in my eyes. Ngi ming nang la chik du lerwa. I have got lenere. I have got lenere yana. I have lenere. Kari lavare jine chik barwa. Tupati pati lengi sugi cheche. That 9.5 tinanjik dugunda. Complete the sentences. Use has, have got, or haven't, hasn't got plus one of these. Yana has got, yana have got, yana have not, haven't got, yana has not, hasn't got lani. Tiache aniyam dola dige tsikkanru jitis. A lot of friends. Rokpa pe mangbo. 4 wheels. Koloshi. 6 legs. Kangbatuk. A headache. Gonawa. A toothache. Sonawa. A key. Dimichik. Much time. Tuzo mangbo. A garden. Dumrajik. Thangbo dekhala. I am not feeling very well. I have got a headache. Dila kunjogi headache karchi dwara. Nga Deus Torgumindus nga gonagidus. Nibadela, it's a nice house, but it hasn't got a garden. The Kangbada Yabudu ine and Karimindu garden mindula swara, Kunzuki Kachito. Tangegi, Sumba Shibanga Pacheche, Lingusogi Tukbatimba Kepatinanglinda. Most cars, Mota Mang Chewachila Kariore, most cars have got 4 wheels. Dilirta Sumbadela, Shibadela. Everybody likes Tom. Misangma Tom nagagres. He kalage has michigra has got a lot of friends. Ngapadela. I am going to the tennis this morning. Nga taring shokpa tennis son membatam na drawings. I have got kalage a toothache. Tela dwara nga son nagitus. This chapter Tuba Dimbagabadi, Lingisogi Susunang Lishiruchi. Laso lingi ani tharing ki nyendung dirang sami lingi so ki nyendung di pen tok po thuk to do chung ya nyira wa chigi ye ma pe la subscribe nang yu na injik subscribe na na jama ki nyendung shna lingi sama kyar di jaya gi re wa chigi ye tipa de lingi sama chakpo chani shuru nang ma chingim do inji jani shuru nang